Place your hands gently on your belly. Feel it rise and fall as you breathe. Now, close your eyes. Imagine a soft, glowing star inside your belly. Warm, gentle, comforting. This is not a star in the sky. It's your center, your grounding point, your quiet power. On the inhale, the star expands softly, radiating warmth. On the exhale, it gently folds inward, gathering light. Breathe with it. There's no need to change your breath. Just follow it. Let the rhythm unfold naturally. Each breath creates a wave, in and out, expanding and returning. With each wave, your body feels more settled. Your mind softens. Your thoughts slow down, like leaves drifting on water. This is more than just a calming technique. It's a reminder that you have support inside. Breathing with the belly activates the parasympathetic nervous system. It tells your body you're safe. And from that place of safety, clarity and presence begin to grow. If your thoughts wander, just return to the breath, to the star, to your center. Stay with this rhythm. Let the breath become your anchor. Let the star become your companion. In moments of stress, overwhelm, or restlessness, you can return to this place. It's always here, inside you. Even 1 minute can change your state. Even one breath can begin the shift. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.